Hey, I'm Donna, and today I'm going to show you how to find your true nude with Mented's Nude collection. They have 9 different shades that come in a semi-matte and matte finish. Very hard for me to find nude colors that work, so I was super excited to get this collection and be able to try them all out to find my true nude. So M5 is the purple undertone color, which more closely matches my top lip. And I just love how it's like a subtle purpley brown color. I love how it looks, and it's super neutral. And even though it's a matte color, it feels like a velvety cream lipstick. It's not drying at all. So for me, that's something I always look for in a lipstick, especially matte lipsticks, because my lips tend to get chapped really easily, so I like anything that's super moisturizing, and all these lip colors are definitely moisturizing. When I apply lighter peachy pink tones, I like to line my lips with a darker color so that it looks more natural. I'm gonna go in with the Mented Night lip liner, and I find if you're a darker skinned woman, you can rock light shades as long as you use a lip liner. And as you can see, this shade just has subtle pink undertones, but it's also a very good neutral nude for me. It looks natural, so that's one of the things that I do love about this shade. And I love how it covers my darker top lip and my bottom lip flawlessly, and it looks very even, like this is my actual lip color. So the last shade I'm going to apply is the Peach Please. And I think for me this is like the best matching nude in their collection for my skin tone. So which shade did you guys like the best? Which nude did you think complemented my skin tone perfectly? Leave a comment, and I hope that you guys find your perfect nude.